Hey everyone, welcome to Visual Loop, your go-to spot for the smartest creative tools on the internet. Ever had a big idea but no time to bring it to life? Imagine turning that concept into a polished video without touching a single editor. No need for voice actors, music libraries, or fancy software. Just type what's on your mind, and boom, your story becomes real. Let's talk about how Pippit AI, powered by CapCut, is helping educators, entrepreneurs, and learners create stunning content in seconds. So here's how it works. Once you hit the link in the description, you'll land on Pippit's official platform. Go ahead and create your free account. It only takes a moment. After signing in, you'll arrive at your personal dashboard. This is where things get exciting. The first feature we'll look at is the video generator. The agent can generate creative content through prompts, and you can also add links, media, and documents. Just describe your idea. Paste a blog, article, or website URL. Upload your slides, PDFs, or images, and let the AI build a video around them. Let's pick agent mode for more complex, storytelling-based content. I'll enter a fresh example. Create an explainer video about how volcanoes erupt using animation, kid-friendly narration, and background music. Now I choose the video length, voice style, and background tone. Then I click Generate. In just a short time, Pippit assembles everything: visuals, script, voiceover, and even music. Let's take a look. That's just one idea.
Deep underground, hot melted rock called magma is waiting. When pressure builds up, the magma starts rising up through the volcano. Boom! The volcano erupts and shoots out hot lava and ash.
Let's try another. I'll enter this prompt. Generate a video explaining how a startup secured funding through storytelling and user feedback. Prompt in, settings adjusted, hit Generate. Here's what it made.
Want to know how we secured funding in just 3 months? We combined powerful storytelling with real user feedback. Investors don't just buy products, they buy stories and proof. Start crafting your story today.
See how different the results can be depending on your prompt? And remember, you can create unlimited videos. So whether it's science, storytelling, or tutorials, experiment as much as you want. Now, let's explore another powerful tool, the AI avatar. Click on Avatar on the dashboard. You'll find a lineup of pre-designed avatars on the right. You can also upload your own image to build a custom talking character. Pick one, then click Edit Script to paste your text. Here's a sample idea. Hi, I'm your virtual guide for today's history walk. Let's travel back to ancient Egypt and explore how pyramids were built. Select the voice, adjust the tone, and click Save. In seconds, Pippit transforms that text into a talking avatar.
Hi, I'm your virtual guide for today's history walk. Let's travel back to ancient Egypt and explore how pyramids were built.
Ideal for online learning, interactive guides, or branded videos. Need more control? Tap Edit Mode. In this section, you can fine-tune every detail. Change avatars, update voice styles, adjust captions, and insert new visuals or sounds. It's great for both quick edits and more hands-on workflows. Next, let's explore something fun, the AI talking photo. This tool lets you animate any photo with voice. Upload your image, maybe a historical figure, a cartoon drawing, or a character from your brand. Now enter what you want the photo to say. Pick the voice and language. Here's a quick example. Hello there, I'm Nikola Tesla. Did you know I once imagined wireless energy for the whole world? Once done, hit Save, then Export.
Hello there, I'm Nikola Tesla. Did you know I once imagined wireless energy for the whole world?
And just like that, you've created a dynamic talking image for your lessons, presentations, or content feed. And finally, we've got the product photo editor. This one's perfect for creators with online stores or portfolios. Upload your image and Pippit removes the background in seconds. Then choose from dozens of clean, modern backdrops or custom styles. Resize, tweak, and export your updated image. Perfect for web banners, thumbnails, or social posts. So there you have it, a full tour of Pippit AI and how it's helping creators, educators, and storytellers turn raw ideas into visual content without the learning curve. Whether you're building an online course, explaining complex topics, or designing interactive stories, you don't need a team. You just need a prompt. Give it a try. And if you're planning to upgrade, don't forget to use the code PIPPET45 off to get 45% off your subscription. Give it a try. Catch you in the next one, where we explore even more smart tools to power your creative flow.